sorry friends for making a second video because my video recorder is just supporting it till 15 minutes because I have using the demo version. Okay, so no problem. Welcome to Brighter API friends again, and let's learn about the second part. And in this next 15 minutes, we are going to finish and testing it all our Alexa device. So we are learning that this is the Node.js and the Amazon Alexa device with the working with the four things, which is the starting new session, launch our the application request, we are handling all the intent and request and the session. And so this is the template. You can use this template. I have also pasted this into the description link. Okay. So on the session start, what we have done that we have taken one function and we are passing that session start request apk session, and we are printing this console.log, which is the session request ID and the session ID. Okay, and our next lab cycle of that launch request. On the launch, what we are doing that on the launch application we are firing this. Give me the smart solution code. Okay, so on the launch we have making one function where we are passing the launch request session in the callback. We are printing the launch request ID and the session ID, and the spits out is that what it will respond is that hello user, welcome to Brighter API. What solution I can do it for you? Okay, so you can what smart solution I can provide to you. Okay, so on the launch where we are writing this to the callback function. Okay, now about the intended request, that is the via session start, the three can type of the request we are getting the request of the launch request, we are getting the intent request, or we can request of the session end request. On the intent request, what we have, how many types of the intent and request we have maken two intent of that. One is the Brighter API intent and the second is the booking intent. So on the intent and request, what we have done is that where intent is equal to intent request dot intent, and intent name we are printing is that with the intent dot name. Intent dot name we have maken two types of the intent request because of the one is the Brighter API intent and the one is the booking intent. If intent name triple is equal to Brighter API intent, then we are going to handle a Brighter API request. We have maken a function where we are passing the intent request and the callback. With the sample code, what is the sample code we have taken? Which is the slot. So intent.slot.samplecode.value. So what is that? Intent Brighter API intent dot slot dot sample code dot value. What is the value? Value we have inserted already into the custom slot type. Okay. So sample code is equal to Brighter API. Then we are going to print a description of the what Brighter API do. We are going to ask that what is Brighter API, then what is already into the sample utterances, and the another back the thing is the Brighter API. We can also ask what is the HackerRank. We can also ask that what does tell me about the HackerRank. Okay, and we can also when is the next holiday. We have using a different sample utterances. Okay, and the next holiday is in India is this, so it will the response. We have also, for the understanding, we have also maken another intent is that booking intent, the handle booking intent. What we have done that intent dot slot dot booking code dot value. So for what we have done is that booking intent. So okay, dot slot dot booking code dot value. What is the value? Value is the something number. So here just for the understanding, I have taken a 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 6, and it will answer that 1 2 3 4 5 code is book, or 2 3 2 5 is the cancel, and the booking code is 1 2 3 4 5 6 is that your booking ID is in progress. Okay, if it is undefined or we are not getting any IDs, we are going to give a sorry answer. Okay, and all these things we are printing with the response. We have taken another function which is the callback. You can find this code into the description link in the GitHub of the GitHub, and you will also find the able to PPT. Okay, so here was this. Okay, we are going to paste it. Okay, and okay, and we are going to save it. Okay, I actually let me create it for your new one. Let me create it so you can get it, because my video was stopped. Okay, so I'm using and here Alexa skill set, and we are going to test it, and the brighter API smart solution from brighter API. And here I'm going to paste the code. Okay, we have pasted all the notepad code whatever we have understood. Here we are going to use a existing role. In the existing role, we are going to use a lambda basic execution and clicking onto the next. On clicking into the next, it will give you all the value you have inserted, and we will say to that create function. Okay. So after creating function, when you are going to use it, just keep in mind it should be used from the N Virginia, because in N Virginia you can use only otherwise you will not able to use the same URL. Okay, and we need to copy this URL. Okay, and we need to paste it to the here, where you need to select AWS Lambda PRN, and we need to select North America, and we are just pasting it. After pasting it, okay, we are clicking onto the next. After that, I don't have the Amazon Echo.device, so we are going to use a service simulator. In service simulator, we are also going to hear the response of the Alexa output. So we need to initially launch our request. So for launch our request, what we need to do, we need to write this: give me a smart solution code, and we need to ask to the writer API. So it is the response we have here. So let's hear the response.
Hello user, welcome to Brighter API. What smart solution I can provide for you?
Okay, so it is asking that what smart solution I can provide for you. So here we can use our different sample utterances. So this all are the intent. In what is the writer API we can ask. So let's ask, what is writer API? So let's ask it. Okay, so it is saying to that, and let's listen it.
Brighter API is taking initiative for create communities who needs help in solving challenges and making them strong into algorithms, data structure, and APIs using deeply understandable video explanation.
Okay, so let's try something new. This is our all the sample utterances. Okay, we can also ask for that. Tell me about the HackerRank. Okay, so let's ask your smart Alexa. Okay, HackerRank. Okay, HackerRank we have already defined into the custom slot type, so that's why we can ask it. So let's ask it. Okay, so it is answering, and let's.
Best HackerRank tutorial at BrighterAPI.com.
Okay. So it is everything we can provide. If we are giving us something, okay, something which we have not inserted into the, so it is saying that the response is invalid. Why it is saying its response is invalid? Because we haven't defined any else condition. You can check into the code. Okay, we haven't defined any else condition. Okay, so the writer API we haven't defined any condition. So here we have defined else condition. So we will try to the here. So for the booking intent, what we can try is the status for. Status for what we can ask that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's ask it that status for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's ask to the writer API. So let's listen it.
Your booking status for Idaho and 2345 is booked.
Okay, so it is saying that it is a book. So let's ask for the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let's listen it.
Your booking status for Idaho 23456 is cancelled.
Okay, and if we are going to insert something bad ID which we have not asked, okay, so it is saying a sorry message. So listen it.
Sorry, we are not able to fetch it this booking. Kindly contact concerned department.
Okay, this is a very easy thing, very understandable tool. I have provided a code, a PPT, everything into our description link, and you can use it. If you need to more detail for this, you can always ask to me. Okay, you can also commenting that thank you for those who 1 hour subscriber this who wants to learn Amazon Echo API. So we have just created this video. Thanks to them whoever they ask it, and thank you. You can also ask to in the comment section, or you can mail me. Okay, and you can also visit the writerapi.com. We are going to try to learn new things, and we are with the simplest way we are going to provide you solution. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Use Amazon Echo Dot, and please do comment if you need any help. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for watching the video.